If they come out to the Duane and the Belizean people know that the police they know that the politician they know that the judge know that murder they're supposed to get charged of cruelty, they make I feel like this baby is still alive. This baby not exist anymore.
Although permission was denied by the police for residents, primarily San Pedranos, to protest against the bail hearing for David and Anke Doehm in front of the Supreme Court, a small group of persons gathered inside the Battlefield Park in downtown Belize City to express their outrage. The message was clear. They were asking for the justice system to not grant bail to the Doehms, who are the suspects in the death of their adopted daughter. Shelley Arceo Hubert, who organized several protests on the island in the wake of the child's death, says she's hurt because she comes from a family of adopted children. Even her daughter is adopted. And she's disturbed by the abuse that 13-year-old Faye Lin was subjected to, allegedly at the hands of her adoptive parents, the Doehms.
We are out here because we have seen what has happened. We saw, and it's not only myself, a group of people, and we got together and everybody individually started to do their own investigation. And it fell on deaf ears. And it's a shame. And for a whole year, I was seeing what was happening, and I called the authorities. And I don't know, it fell on deaf ears. I heard that there's a few reports, so obviously somebody else reported and they wrote it down. But we are here at this point. We should be at this point where we should be in this park. The children, our parents or whoever was concerned, walking around with these children, holding their hands and telling them how much you love them, because that is what an adopted parent does to a child.
Ladyville resident Kira Garbut also came out in support. She's disappointed in the turnout.
Well, I decided to come out today because I want justice, not only for Faye, but justice for all Belizeans that was killed cold-bloodedly, and no one didn't receive justice that they needed. That's why I'm out here today. I came out here expecting people to be out here. Look around us. Only a few of us are here right now. Where are the rest of Belizean people? This is affecting all of us. Me, you, our kids, our future kids also, and future grandkids. This is affecting all of us. Where are you guys? In front of your TV and Facebook. What is more important than justice? A child was killed.
The group is concerned that the Doehms will get bail and abscond, as has been seen in the cases of Mexican-American national David and Anke Snitcher and Mexican national Zuris de Villaseñor Mendez. After being granted bail, the foreign nationals fled the country. Residents were requesting that the couple kept on remand until their trial for cruelty to a child.
I will tell us straight, mister, I will be real, right? They get bail today, they will left the country. They will leave because she get escorted to the Belize bank for go take out money. I have already been charged in my life, and I don't get a high-class treatment for go in a bank and take out money.
The issue with the parents of Faye is that they are flight risk, and we have seen in the past where the same defendant that is defending them have gotten successful application for bail, and his client have left this country, have absconded. And so we are saying, if we allow this to happen, if we allow these people to get bail, there is a high probability that these people will abscond on their next court hearing, and the system will be failing Faye.
And just after midday today, there was an uproar from the gathering as they got word that the Doehms had received bail. It was very emotional for many, especially Laura Goldman, who could not understand why they were allowed to go, even as there is evidence of neglect and cruelty on Faye Lin.
I don't know how to put words, honestly, to what I feel, but the case today was about bail for cruelty and neglect. Out of her own mouth, she said, "My child has not eaten or left her room for 3 weeks." She bashes her own head. She admitted out her own mouth that she neglected and was cruel to them by her neglect. I don't understand how there can be bail. It's got nothing to do with the murder charges. That's a whole other thing. The bail hearing today was about, is she neglectful and were they cruel? The answer to those questions, my dog doesn't eat for 2 days, I call the vet. I don't know how to feel about a world that I live in whether it's Belize or the US or Canada or anywhere. I don't know how to live in a world. I have absolutely no faith for Jeffrey Ely, for Felix Ayuso, for the hundreds of other murder victims in this country, not just Faye Lin. I have no faith in any of it anymore, and I don't know what to do with that.
Duane, Moody for News 5.